Hey. Oya wese baby ani pay project in ye. But I say oya MPP ni nuano no. Oya NDC ni enti na so the party ni no. Say we are and na me catch am say yen yankasa yen manfo no say an sorry. Na say bibi koso na nya ne anka ho asem a. Ne de ani to politicians so a ombekoso a de ewu. I am telling you. Because we are DCEB, MCEB, Project B Koso. Department committees are who do our assemblies best sorry say ye kwa koshe. Na say what's ye demolition. Ye just a call, a phone call, not penny be afre. Anke nti kroma na ntwempo na krona ye che na ne obi afre se jano man nante. Enti me say politician si ejaye bi bia de manoa yawu enye bra bia na wo si ejaye bi bia de ma politician say ye di omudi omunya bibi man no politician won interest politician no o won interest and the interest ne first and you say wo dwen say obi ye project na say time bia because ya ka e wa ha and it was I mean disastrous. And your man, of course, I mean, we share how and so a chief for the not in baby, no, the obi bonny obi a day or enfano. On one one coyebi, but in soon start to free honor. A quack cheer for biso. Dizani a can na say, I was seeing in I yet to me say, and you break beer, and also your politician d. And to wo your interest. Because politician, I'm telling you, say department, say physical planning for, and a best sorry, say chief, idea way across one enya. Ono na so call assembly where the a special planning committee or head chairman of the committee. And I buy a baby abanson in common crop for person to me a your project. And to a cocotte, no, yeah, every okra permitting count, but no, a project, no. But okay, I am a me, na me a party ni, and I mean, chairman, committee attendance here, you know, see a taking decision on the namdo. Engineer, oh, yeah, the day, now we will, the meanwhile, committee knew to me. And you saw the young fire. Oh no, let's my cancer because Sani system no. Come on, say yanya de. And run crying and crying pa and crying. Ya be the ono kon crying. One trafa continue what moon crying. And tin kramania and no boy. You see the fact of the matter is that yanya ready see the mrebe ye juma. Because of politics. Now, you see politician. So what did you say when you're a politician? Be out, me say, nye brebia na was a politician di. Ebi mo ye juma. Look at this one. Watch this. Share unkrofo fie. Nra. Oh. Ebi aminu ya ofre fie busa say won so de to say. David. Ufre fie bisa say also dey to say.
What the me can share was am gidi so ho ye.
Bibi aboko.
Yeah, da ya me ase. Me mum de me fie de hon flade ye. But enkran de ye normal. E say the wakota kra no bi aka cho say ye bela. Bele ye normal. Bele na ye personal. What I say? Okota kra no bi ka say ye bela. Me fa the personal.
Oh, okay.
But or twaso ka say ye bela and then no who so the one ka so attack one ka sa. Yes.
So what is it? Enkran.
Is it enkran de? It is not like they don't know what they are. Omunim adwuma no. And omunim say a friend say nsuo to ho beyiri. But typical of us who say mpete. Or say ade chia mesimi die. Ebia ne ne this is one crying. It's in crying. The heart of crying. It's you see sometimes some of these things yes owura fi circle e ho no mo yiri ye ku nkofo bebre
Exactly.
akofo bebre prepare na sefo ni na what lessons have you learned from that share ufri achimota overhead na se oba up to Perez Chapel ho no mo a I'm telling you me wo video bi wo me phone so me be ya me finkra e ba na anu ya enreti ya o e na me kokoto so so ni mu. It was so terrible. Not the heart of the place. I am main road. A hot one yiri me bro swimming pool so because it's only to enya baby amfa. And the nam
baby amfa.
Enya baby amfa the nam kwan mu sa. Na rewra filling station na kokoba sa. That is in cry for you. Now I said that cause deliberate traffic. It wo mo amote sa lane so hot mo de nsuo to a bobo. Omo bu freeway jakasoa eba besida kwa circle kra de nsuo to ba wo mo ho biem. Because the whole stretch ni na no nsuo ni yiri o ema kan come ebi ma wo be di rough abe make attempt so be cross no se nsuo ni too heavy na se kan ni wo make attempt wo be wu
and cry
it is I say it cry normal to say the market say belle ye personal but oka belle ye normal it cry flooding normal. But if you want to say a normal, they see it as normal because they are not learning any sense from it. Ye chema wo wepra. Ye chema sema to ni ahye up and down. Aye issue ano tintin na be gina ho no aka brofo akese. We have not added any pragmatic measure to solving it. Now, mameka se menchro. Said recently out it say chado. Not before be ye skirmishes bi wo ho no ye bubu ada. They see here. It was just a phone call by a politician. Stop the nonsense. A hot man ye jai dani na bubu. So just for ye don't be good hot money soldier for kitwa. Na free ye kwa ye ba sa fe de ye hu kwa ye mo fa so mu jai. A friend said dani bubu bi. And what is so mu jai no.
Demolition almost started here you na di hu nko.
Oh.
Papa bi a no say.
Omo
jai.
Anko si
Just a phone call.
It was,
you see that is the problem.
Just
that
stop
is the problem. A phone call to obi a so de mreye adwuma politician or say ne party branch executive be a friend say ye bune dan you see or say ne party asomasi enim obi enti wa frɛ obi aka chenzo on frɛ pani bi nka nkyere say ye bune dan ye demolition you see I was see a clear coin so that enipa ba kono cause damage to millions and thousands of properties.
Nti amane nye ye nne say jo me ne wa na wo de say ye share boundary I wo the same place e be bu mi dan ye mu de na me ka what I say me no ne share wall I wo the same place e be bu mi dan ye mu de ba sa na me ni bebre because ekwan a esuo de na mu no the same ekwan me no mienu ye dan si so but e be bu mi dan ye mu dan because there's a political interest be between me no mienu. We are not allowing the system to work. And the home petter so she said in so toy to bet me see wood. Now we see wood we are so that and that has been the core, the central point of the whole discussion. It's here, not over the years. I don't me so much money and
no crown on my main country. Me nano they see war way at a four me cocaine and say not move for no honor say my trouble. The fact of the matter is that not most see not more because we are under resourced. When you money bebre ho ya na nkrofo ko che ne ade a wo bekom na ye DC bi na ana say MPB e na source for sa ne ma no na not more for akodi animu ya ho bebre wo krom ha ya ho bebre you see eya na ha me say mo ti ho mo nka no kre no say ye ba radio so ne ye ka no kre na mampanifo ate ahum situation mo mu a na mo dwa you see ye can cry chemo Nadmu regional Ashanti region Nadmu go there and find out sa relief items na yesen ka asem sia eno ne yeso ade brankrofo no go bisa se dodo se no mo go and ask them say budget is saying any ade abre Nadmu in Ashanti region the entire region what ya bubefu go and find out Nadmu no a nka asem ba yesi ehu omo no omo ba na nka rechichira ba go and ask them. Now you find yourself in a situation a director will tell you that idea where they who power but resources a bit mobilize the a problem. And people are paying money kɔ assemblies ahodoɔ dredging gye sɛ landlords agyegye sika ɛne afrɛ sɛ mommra mɛyɛ ma yɛn. And this is the situation a wom, and you realize ubewie no na afei ube say course no baby adeɛ ne free ba no ɛyɛ linked to a politician be linked to pani bi anko nimu de ɛwɔ sɛ nkɔyɛ adeɛ yie.
Even personnel some moye adwuma wɔ NADMO. In fact, yesterday I got a certain list of nkɔfo moye adwuma ɛwɔ NADMO. A friend say KME. I was heavily shocked. Me say, hey, we na moye adwuma wɔ NADMO. I don't want to undermine them. And it is not my intention to undermine them. But the technical know-how is not there.
Oh, I mean, that's
and your party boys, cheerleaders.
Oko district name we are a party for
Jesus Christ.
They say a party organizers, constituency organizers, and then what to NADMO coordinators. Where is the technical know-how?
Mini take 5 years more NADMO. Nana period more NADMO. Name them. Are you
so the technical know-how is not there. Politics. Yeah, the politics not take over. You see, currently, Oko NADMO districts and the municipal assemblies no. Politicians, yeah, two we are near can more organizers, yeah, bema muwe, constituency secretaries, yeah, bema muwe. Any pana ya not to hono. Very easy say politician bet my influence no. Because say pani bi na bo ni din si financial. Pani bi na de question. And you see, ade no nyina ne say, oman no baby ya dru no. Se wo tie ma no pe na wo area ho, wa mo ani amere a. Now do any to say politician no na angoma so de ya na no make kan wase. Angoma so de. I will now continue to say it. De bia meka. Because me makɔ hɔ akɔ ho bi me ankasa matietie makɔ hɔ nkɛyɛ dɛ na area yɛsi ha yɛ reserve nature reserve NADMO indicate sɛ ha nsuo ɛtaa ha ɛha adwintima yɛnyɛ obi ama hɔ ne akɔ bu signage na to atwene yɛyɛ project wobu sɛm a you see sɛ ɔfrɛ pani no de kan pɛ na kyɛ sɛ asɛm no ɛden